I'll talk about ink. And I know what you're thinking. My name is Claus Thomsen, by the way. I'll talk about ink. I know what you're thinking now. This is not going to happen in my shop. But I would like to show you this.
One disruptive technology has built economies, democratized knowledge, changed how we live and work more than any other. Printing. And HP has led the way. HP LaserJets revolutionized business productivity. HP inkjets brought professional quality color to homes and offices. Now, a third revolutionary HP technology is changing how the world prints. Introducing HP PageWide technology. PageWide prints across the entire page in a single pass. Its print bar bristles with twice as many nozzles per inch as competitive printers, delivering millions of perfectly uniform droplets every second. Each one a quarter the width of a smartphone pixel, and synchronized with the paper for pinpoint accuracy. PageWide delivers a new level of scalability, speed, productivity, and precision, using less energy, and cuts printing costs for everything you do, from desktop to web press to industrial design and 3D printing on the factory floor. It's not just a printing revolution, it's inspiring the next industrial revolution. This is the future of printing, powered by HP PageWide technology. HP, the world's most preferred printers.
Thank you very much. Technology. HP have developed this inkhead. If anything in the print business is rocket science, this is over 40,000 nozzles on this printhead. We are capable of printing 2 million drops a second with this printhead. But in a very fast speed. The thing is, this one is not moving. This is stationary in the device. It doesn't move. And not to go into technology and nerdies about the device, but the paper pass in this device is so short that it's hard to even paper jam. It's only the paper who moves in this printer. That makes it very reliable. But what's the biggest problem we do have about ink? All the myth about ink, because people have bought a small one down in Bonus or wherever and have had some trouble. This is different. This is a different technology. And the thing is about this is pigmented ink. The ink is plastic. The color on the page is actually plastic. I would like to actually make a small demonstration of that. Because one of those things who's important too is it's waterproofed. It will say there, this water won't turn orange. And the fish got down in its water. So the thing is waterproof. We can even use those highlighters to without the thing is smoothing out. So we can use it in real business, in enterprise business, as you guys are. One other thing is, one of the myths is the cost. Ink is expensive. Everybody knows that, but it's actually not. Compared to those equal devices like lasers, it's kind of half the price per page. And compared to those copies you have at home, probably equal the price on color and black and white. And the supplies. These supplies have 9,200 pages in black. And at the same time, that was how difficult it was to change it. Everybody can do that. It's a very, very reliable device. We even help with the colors down here. So it can be an enterprise device. What about green? I know your electricity here in Iceland is very cheap, so it's probably not your biggest concern. But a lot of companies is trying to go greener, be greener with all our HP's new products. We're trying to lower the amount of electricity we use. This is the same with the ink devices. Because the process in inks are not heating up or melting down the toner on the paper as they are in a laser, we use much less power. A measuring on compared to a typical same-size laser, this one is kind of half the amount of energy they use. So we can save you some money. I mean, if you have 100 devices, yeah, you could be saving some money still. The toner actually as well, if you take the green CO2 kind of carbon footprint, this device is 11 times smaller than the equal toner on the laser. So when we bring a container of toners to Iceland, we can have 11 times more of ink compared to lasers just in size. Is that next myth, is this reliable? We do have companies who test our products, and they did print 150,000 pages without a single paper jam. Not a single paper jam. What I said before, the paper pass is so short, it's actually, I can nowhere to kind of mock up. So it is reliable. It can be used in enterprise business as well. No problem. And then again, it's the same firmware. Fredrik and Howard talked about the firmware and what we could secure and that to be secure. This is the same. This is the same kernel of firmware in this device than all our other enterprise devices. So of course we have those features they talked about earlier in this device as well. It's ink. And is everything suitable for the enterprise environment? Because we have other thoughts about what can we do. WebDit admin is one of the management tools we do have for free. The universal print driver is there as well. We do have support for all that. Actually, the display is the same as our enterprise devices, which, I mean, if you have a big one, or small one, or this one, it's the same look and feel the users will get. And we can do all the stuff. We do have the card reader. We do have the scanner, the flow versions, who is a kind of focus on scanners as well, scanning as well. It is the same, and then cost, I mean, if your copiers in Danish kroners cost about 50,000 Danish, I mean, this is around 10. So you can get 5 of those for the same price of a big. So it will, I mean, we have done a lot of replacement with those kinds of machines because they don't need all the big features. This is 70 pages per minute, so it's extremely fast as well. All the features we do have on the big ones, ePrint, AirPrint, Wireless Direct, even 3 years warranty built in on the devices. if we have a contract on that. This is devices. Some questions. I do have one, because what's not good or what's not possible, we only is capable of printing A4 at the moment. This is a disadvantage if you need A3. And finisher is kind of on the table next to the printer. Stapling and punching is next to the printer. We don't build that in. Those two things is kind of missing at the moment. We'll work on it. We don't know when. Thank you. Any questions? Thank you.
Jæja, ég þakka ykkur kærlega fyrir komuna. Þið sjáið að HP á fullu og það eru hérna mikið af nýjum hlutum að gerast. HP fólkið okkar hér verður hjá okkur í allan dag og á morgun og ég vil endilega hvetja ykkur til þess að nýta tækifærið og fá þau í heimsókn eða bóka fundi ef þið hafið spurningar eða eitthvað. Það eru þegar þó nokkur fyrirtæki í alrekstri hjá okkur varandi prentþjónustu. Þar á meðal til dæmis Eimskip sem að nota þessa tækni sem við erum að tala hérna í dag. Þannig að endilega hérna látið í ykkur heyra. Takk fyrir.